it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. I have not uploaded in so long, probably like 2 months, and it's kind of just been a crazy couple months with everything going on. It's just kind of hard because I don't really want to like make a video if I'm not really like enthusiastic and really excited to make it. So I just took a break. I hope you guys don't mind. But today I thought I would do a try on summer haul, and I have not done one of these in probably like 2 years or maybe a year, I'm not sure, but I really just love watching these videos personally. And over the past like 4 or 5 months or so, I picked up a lot of pieces here and there, and they've just kind of collected, and I wanted to show you guys. I thought it'd be really fun to just show you and do like a little try on portion as well, because I love watching those. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get on into it. So I'm gonna try my best to go in order of like when I got these pieces. So the first thing I got is probably, I think I got it in like March or right before everything like closed down. So this is from Old Navy, and I love this shirt. I love floral, and I have so much floral, but I still keep buying it. So this shirt is from Old Navy, and it is so pretty. And I just love the yellow. I think it's such a happy color, and then the blue detail is so pretty. And I actually wore this on Easter like a couple months ago with some white jeans, and it looked so pretty, and I really love it just with any like denim shorts or white shorts. And I also have a pair of shoes that I will show you guys in a little bit that looked so good with this. So yeah, I really just love this, and I just love the way it fits as well. And the next two things I have are from Target, and I kind of got them to go along with each other. And I also got these in probably like March or so before everything happened. And the first thing is this dress, and I just think it is so beautiful. Again, it's floral because I love floral, and I just can't resist it. And it's just this beautiful like blue color. It's kind of like a lightish blue color, and I just love it. And it has accents of like turquoise flowers, and it's a little bit long, but if you put some like wedges or like kind of platform sandals on, it looks perfect, and it's the perfect length, not too long, not too short. And I really like wearing this to church or anything that's a little more dressy. It has a little ruffle, and I think that's so flattering, and it looks really good with like a jean jacket and like a white bralette. It's a really cute look. So yeah, I really love this. I also got this to go along with it, and it's also from Target, and it's like this minty green cardigan. It's a little bit shorter, which I like because it goes well with the dress. And even though it is a cardigan, I feel like you can wear these like all year round and just put with dresses, and especially if it's cold like in a building, it's nice to have a little sweater to go around your arms. And I just think it looks super nice with the dress that I just showed you. So yeah, I really love both of these. And this top I also got at Target when I got the dress and the cardigan. And I guess I was in like a green and blue mood because all I got was those colors. But it's this, if I could ever get it unwrinkled. It's just this really casual like tank top, and it's a little bit cropped, which I kind of like, but I don't, because sometimes you just kind of want a full length shirt. But it's really good for the summer because you can just pair it with some high-waisted shorts or even jeans, and it would look really good. And it has kind of like a peplum, not a peplum, but just kind of like a little ruffle there that looks cute. And I really just love this color, and it's kind of like a sage green color, and I really like that. And it looks really good with the white bralette like peeking out under, and I just really love this overall, and it's just a nice casual look to go with pretty much anything. And now getting into some things I just recently got. So this top I got for the 4th of July because it is just so cute and festive, and I love it. It's from Old Navy, and it's just so light and airy, and I just love the material. It's kind of like silky-ish, and I just really love it. And the stars are kind of showing up white, but they're actually silver, and they just look so good. I have this like star choker that I also wore on the 4th of July with some white shorts, and I just love it. And it's a little bit long, but I tied it because it makes it look a little more flattering, and I just really love this. And even though it's not the 4th of July anymore, I will still wear it just because it's really cute, and I feel like you could wear this with some white jeans when it gets a little colder, and it would look so good. So I just really love this top overall. And then also when I was at Old Navy, I got these denim shorts, which I really, really love. I've been needing some new denim shorts, and they're like the perfect wash of denim in between like the light and the dark wash. And they're also like boyfriend style. They're not like, I don't even know what the normal style of like jean shorts are. I really like how they're not tight. Like, you know how some shorts they like fold up and they're tight on your thigh? I don't like that. I like how these are more loose. And I also love all the rips in them. It's like just the perfect amount. And I love how it like hangs down right there. I think that looks really cute and like beachy in a way. And they're kind of high-waisted. They're kind of like mid-rise, which I like, and with a belt they look really good. I feel like they just look good with any summer top. They are perfect, and I just really love these a lot. And then the last few things I'm going to show you I actually got at the beach. Like last week I went with my family for the day, and they had a lot of good deals. I went to Cape May, New Jersey, and they just have the cutest like beach shops and everything. So the first thing I got from Cape May is this romper, and it is the cutest thing ever. I think I got it, I forget what the store is called. I can put it on the screen because I forget, but I really love this. And they were having a sale for $20 for all rompers, which I thought was really good for the beach. So this is so cute, and it's off the shoulder, which I really like. It's like really flattering on your arms, and with like a white bralette it looks really good. And I just love all the colors with this. It's just so summery and beachy, and I just love it. And I love also this little tassel. It's so pretty, and I really love the material of it. It's really just light and airy, and it's just so cute for the summer. And then also at the store called Making Waves in Cape May, I got this sweatshirt, and even though it's like a summer haul, it's still, this print is so summery, like I had to include it. And it's super soft. I got it oversized because I just love oversized sweatshirts, and I will wear this so much, like whether that be at school or home or literally anywhere, I will wear it. And this was also, I think it was on sale for 19, I think it was 20. Yeah, it was also 20 bucks, which was super good, I thought, and I just love this so much. And then also I got some earrings from Cape May, which I literally am obsessed with. They are my favorite. I love like big earrings, and these are just so pretty, and they're so my style. And I think the store was having, I forget what the store was called, I can put it on the screen too, but the sale they were having was, I think it was 2 pairs of earrings for 20, which normally I don't like spending that much money on earrings, but my mom got a pair and I got a pair. So they are these super adorable gold like hoops. They're like gold hoop, and then they have these big floral detail on it, and I just think it's so pretty, and it's kind of like an off-white color, which is cute. And also I didn't even realize that you can move these floral pieces around, but I kind of like them like together because I feel like it looks better, I don't know. And they'll go with so many outfits, and I just love these so much. They're so my style, and they're just so boho and cute. And I think that's all the clothes that I have to show you, but I also have 2 swimsuits that I want to show you guys because they're so cute, and I really needed swimsuits this year. So the first swimsuit I have is from Target, and I actually saw this in Brooklyn and Bailey's video. They did like a swimsuit fashion like challenge thing, and I just thought it was so cute, and I decided to pick it up at Target. It's just this really cute like orange and like yellows and pinks floral kind of bathing suit. Again, it's floral. I have so much floral, but I had to. And I really like that this is a straight across neckline just because it's a little more modest. And also the back is like crisscross. It's kind of hard to show, but I just really think this is so cute and just really summery and kind of tropical. And then also I decided to get the matching bottoms because I think they were both 15, and I feel like 30 bucks for the top and bottom isn't too bad. So these are the bottoms. They're just exactly the same print, and I really like these because they kind of go higher up on your leg, so it's really flattering. And they're just super cute, and I just really love the swimsuit overall. And also these can match with like a plain top. I also have like a black and white stripes top that these look really good. I really like the mix of patterns. I don't know, I just really like that look, and it probably still is at Target, so you could probably still go find it. Then the second swimsuit I have is from Kohl's, and I just happened to find this, and I just thought it was so cute, and I think it was on sale as well for 10. I think it was on sale for 10. It is so cute, and it's also kind of like a floral pattern. This is so bad how much floral I have, but it's like a light purple color, which I really like, and it just has all these like different color florals in it. And I also really like that it's like a straight neck. It's really flattering, and I also really like it kind of goes like farther down than your typical bikini top, which I really like, and it also gives you some more coverage. And I did not get the matching bottoms, but I have these bottoms that I already had that actually I think match really well. They're reversible. I don't wear them with the floral side, I wear them with the stripe side because it's like white and navy or black, I can't tell. But I really love these. These are from Cupshe. I got these a couple years ago, but I feel like the patterns, since there's some little like black lines and white, they kind of go together, which I really like. So this is a really cute swimsuit that I could pair with just black bottoms or anything. So I really like this top. And the next 2 things I have are some pairs of shoes that I have been loving lately. And the first pair are these really adorable platform yellow shoes, and I actually have the exact same pair in a tan color, and I wore these for like my high school graduation and my baccalaureate mass. But I love these. I found them on Amazon, but I decided to get another pair because I just love them so much. And they're in this bright yellow color, which I love. Yellow is like one of my favorite colors. And they are just so good, and I really like how they're platform because they're so comfortable and give you some more height because I'm not very tall. And I wore these on Easter as well with that top I showed you with some white jeans, and they just looked so good together, and I just love these so much. They match with actually a lot of outfits, which is really surprising. And yeah, I just love these so much, and I will definitely be keeping these for a while because they're just so cute. And the next pair of shoes I have are very similar, and they are these red shoes. I really just love bright colors in the summer. I don't know why, I just do. But these are a little bit different because they're more strappy, and I think there's a pair of Steve Madden ones just like this, but they're probably like way more expensive. And these I got from Walmart, surprisingly, and I think they were like $14, which is not bad at all. And I just really love these, and I really love how they cross in the back. I just think that looks really good, how it like lays on your foot. I don't know. And I just love these so much. They match with a lot of things. And I wore these on the 4th of July with that star top, and they just looked so good, and I just love these so much. And also the Phillies start like next week, and I'm definitely going to be wearing these on the day of their first game because they just match perfectly, and I'm just so excited for these. So I love these so much. And then the last accessory I want to show you guys is this set of earrings I got. I think I got these before all this COVID stuff happened, I think in like March. And it came with some star earrings, which are my favorite. I love these so much. You can't even really see them, but I'll hold them up. They're so cute. And then also some like little hearts, which are also so cute. And then these are kind of like little hexagons, which I think are really unique, and I haven't really seen these a lot, so I just love all of these. And my favorite are the stars because I just love stars in general. I don't know why. My mom loves stars too, and we just have an obsession with stars. I don't even know, but they're so cute, and I wore these for the 4th of July as well, and they're gold, and I just love gold so much, and they just go with so many little outfits that you can dress up or down. And these are just such cute earrings that I feel like I'm gonna be wearing for a while. So yeah, they're from Target if I didn't already say that. So yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I personally love watching these kinds of videos and just getting inspiration from certain people's styles. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see. I'm definitely gonna be doing a room tour very soon because I finally finished my room decorating it, and you can't see, but this wall over here I totally like finished, so I definitely will be filming a room tour very soon, so keep your eyes out for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.